Okay, this is the process now. I want to be quick. If you have, if you're on your create, if you're on your ad manager, these are the ones I've done before now, right? And I want to run new ad. One of the reasons why it might stop is if they've been, if your time trade is being set to like 4,000, 5,000. Once you get to 5,000, it asks if there's no money, all the ads will stop running. Before it wasn't like this, but now this is a new system. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on this cross sign. Yeah, when you click on the cross sign, it brings out creative campaign. This is the goal, right? This is the goal. Goals comes in different form. Do you want for video views? You want for post engagement? You want for website traffic, reach, messenger, page like, and event response? So what are we going for now? Now, mind you, when you go for reach, you have to need an ad or a creative that's already on your phone to be able to assist you in going. If you want for post engagement, that means there's a post in your platform that you want to promote. If there's a video views, it also has to do with something like engagement. So it depends on the goal you're looking at. So let's go for reach. When I click reach, this is what happens. Now you want to run ad for a very long time. When you run for the first 7 days, there is every tendency that your ads your target audience, your locations are properly set in place. So let's use this as the default one. This stories placement. So just like a simple breakdown, there's no website. So let's go back. So once this is done, you can change the image. You can add. When you want to change the image, you click on this. Now, why we're seeing this is because these are like profile pictures you've used before now to do your Instagram and co. Then you click on next. This arrow, the arrow will bring us here. This is add creative. Now we will then work on the headline. If you click on this, you can edit the headline. This is what people will see. Then the description, you can click on this, the description will show. If you have a website, you click on this and you add website. This call to action, it simply means what do we want to achieve? Do you want them to come to our shop, book now, or learn more? Or you want them to download? If your WhatsApp is linked up to your this thing, it will show. So it all depends on where we want to. So look, from the beginning, I said you can add text image. You can put the headline. You understand what headline is? Primary text, which is like the objective. You can add your website or the link to your WhatsApp. And reason why it is like that is because we click on learn more. If you click on shop, the URL for the shopping will be there, the website. If you click on download, the URL for the store. So you can change the call to action based on what you want. Now, special ad, this place they call special ad is basically for people that want to run real estate, government, politics. These are for special ad, right? You don't want to work with this because your ad is not a special ad, it's basically a normal business ad. Now, this is where the work comes in. Placement. Placement, we have to work with where do you want it to be? Do you want it to be on Instagram alone, or you want it to be on Facebook alone? If you leave it on automatic, it is going to go both of them. But I will advise you to do one for one where you want it to show. So I'm clicking on manual, so I want to select exactly where I want it to show. Device type, mobile and desktop. What's it called? This audience, you want it to be on audience. If it's about picture, you want it to be on messenger. It's called carousel. If you don't want it, I will not advise you to run all on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. Run Facebook differently. Run other ones differently. So when you're done with the Facebook, you see the Instagram is not there, so it will only run on Facebook. This ad will go on Facebook. So if I click OK, I'm back to this position. So now before confirming, this is you preview your ad network. You preview your ad. It is very important that you preview your ad. See how it looks and how it should go. Now I will have to leave here because it's taking time to load. I'll move on to the next one. So we've done for ad creative, we've done for other ones. Now we are here to edit the kind of people where we want our ad to go to. You can create a new audience. I would advise you to create a new audience and save it, right? So that you won't be typing all the time where you want the ad to go, kind of people you want it to reach, right? When you create, it will be there like a custom. So whenever you want to run ad next time, you just click on it, that one you saved. So if I want to create a new audience, it's going to come up with age bracket, this and that, but I'm supposed to see a place to save the name. Okay, let me go back. Okay, discard. Let me edit this. They're all the same. So basically, it's supposed to be like a custom. Now, like your page. People that like your page, are they the people that are buying from you? If they are not, you don't want to use this. You want to create your own. For hair products, you need to, like I said, I've taught you before, you need to check those down details to people that patronize your business or people that are likely to patronize your business. So let's try and edit it. Location, you don't want to use a long age range. You don't want to use a very long age range. You want to reduce it and have like 2 types of ad you're running in a particular campaign. Let's say 26 to 43. At least we select female. We select location. Now this is where I want a lot of people to focus on. Location is very important. Use in Lagos, there are different places in Lagos. You want to be specific. You want to be specific about it. So Lekki, you want to be very specific about it. Let's say Abuja now. We are going to use Wuse. Yep. Wuse neighborhood. Okay, we say 2. Right? You want to choose still in Lagos, you want to choose Ikoyi. Let's use it. Okay, let's use Surulere. Masses of people around there. Surulere. Look at it in Lagos. So these are the 3 we're going to be using for now. I will use in teaching you. Now audience name. Okay, now I'll be later. Include people who matches and exclude the rest. So we selected this, and this is where you're going to be very specific about where your people spend time or how they click. You want to choose cosmetic. You want to choose skincare. You want to choose, okay, let me go back there and edit it again. We've not finished. Now if you see, now there are only 2 selected there, which is cosmetic and skincare. You want to choose extension, human extension. Look at hair extension over here. You want to choose what else? Fashion, shopping and fashion editor. You see there are different options, so you need to be very careful of their interest. You want to choose which other one? What kind of girls? Nails polish. You want to choose lifestyle now. What kind of lifestyle? Beach. Right? People that goes to beach want to look good. Bikini and all that. So beach travels, beach boys, and I've not seen what I'm looking for. Let's look for bikini. Reason that their lifestyle. We want to select more lifestyle. You want to choose what else? Heels, all this kind of fashion lifestyle. So I hope you understand what I mean here. So this is it. Once we are done selecting everything that we need, we'll click on go. We're going to click on update existing audience, save as new audience. Now at this point I want you to save it as new audience. When you click on save as new audience, you select the name so that whenever you come back you only adjust the ad that you're running. Okay, save as new audience, but I'm not going to click it because I don't need it. I have it already on my system. So just click update existing. It will just update this particular one. Moving forward, we then click move forward. Now this is where we come to budget. Now we have to select what we want for daily budget, right? On a daily budget we can edit it, and let's say 520, and you want to click on start now and when it's going to end. Run ad continuously. You don't want it to run ad continuously. You want it to run in 7 days. You want it to run in 2 days. You want it to run 5 days. These are all you need. Once it's done, you click on this down part, this blue part, go ahead, and your ad will start running. These are all the things that you need to know when it comes to running ad. We go from, like I said, from budgeting, starting from the goal, the foundation of the goal, select media, you come down to your ad, you come down to your audience, and you come down to your budget. Thank you very much. I hope this is insightful and helpful to you.